Now, the Finance Ministry also saying an additional 10% tariff will be imposed on crude oil, farm equipment and some autos. So China retaliating strongly here to Trump's 10% blanket tariff on Beijing. What's going to be interesting to see here is, of course, how the United States responds now and, of course, the overall economic and financial translation. Let's get an update on how US equity futures are looking right now as well, just to assess immediately what this could mean for the resumption of Wall Street trade. We have just seen US equity futures also ticking lower off the back of this. The Nasdaq now cooled down more than 110 points, the Dow off 133, the S&P 500 down 21. So while we have you, Isaac, can I get your reaction to this breaking news? China essentially firing back on Trump here. Your take?
I think it's going to make it harder to roll back these tariffs and the trade war. It's happening. I think investors will need to price in some risk premium for that. And something to keep an eye out will be currencies. It would not be surprising to see the RMB devalued, to weaken, to try and offset some of the impact of those tariffs. That's going to have an impact on the US dollar and global growth. So yes, I think investors will have to start to really price this in again after trying to wind it back overnight.
Indeed. Let's pull up the Hong Kong stocks and what we are seeing with the Chinese currency right now as well. So dollar index at 108.97 right now. If we have the Hong Kong markets, let's open that up as well, just to give our viewers a pulse check on how equities are responding to this China pushback on Trump's 10% tariff here, announcing this 15% tariff on US coal and LNG, and also a 10% tariff on crude oil, farm equipment and some autos. So the Hang Seng still holding on to some gains here, up 1.3%. Of course, we'll continue to assess the impact across the Asia markets, but this is quite a significant story that's going to have, of course, significant risk asset repercussions. So a lot to unpack here. Isaac, we're going to leave it there, but I appreciate the conversation. Thanks so much for coming on today and looking forward to speaking with you again soon. Thanks for reacting to this breaking news. That's Isaac Poole there of Oriana Financial Services. Okay, we are going to continue to assess the market impact of this. Stick with us. We're off for a quick break, but we'll be back in 2 minutes with the latest market reaction to China's fresh response to those Trump tariffs. Stay with us.